How do you approach businesses to create a listing in your directory? We just email them. Yeah, we just email them and ask them to confirm their company and contact information for their free listing on the directory. And when they reply to either say yes, because we just send them it's a cold email sequence, 5 emails across 10 days, every other day. We send out an email that says, need to verify or need to confirm, attempting to confirm, trying to verify, etc. We use spin tags in our emails so that they're somewhat unique when they get sent out. But it's 5 emails over 10 days where we basically are saying, we are attempting to verify your company's contact information. And then the email body just says, we're reaching out to confirm your company and contact information for your listing on the treecarehq.com directory. There's no cost to this. We just want to make sure that the information is correct and accurate so that people looking for tree services in your city, whatever that city is, can find you. Here's what we have: name, address, phone number, website, service area. Can you confirm whether this is accurate or provide updated information if it's not? And then we just wait. And when they reply back and either say, yes, that is correct, or no, the phone number needs changed, or we leave the website out intentionally, so the website field is blank. We do that intentionally. Even if we have the website URL, we leave it out intentionally because we want them to reply to that cold email. Yeah, all that information is correct, but my website URL is missing. Here it is. Now we've got direct communication with that contractor or that client, that somebody at that business, which in the tree service industry is usually the owner, the business owner, the tree service contractor himself or herself, but it's mostly men. If that makes sense. And so that's when we create the directory listing, only after we've got a positive reply back from the contact that is either confirming their information or providing accurate information. Then we publish the listing for them. Right. Initially, when you start a directory, I do recommend populating the directory with some seed content, which are going to be just scraped listings. But after a period of time, or once kind of the site is, well, the directory site's well indexed, we only add directory listings to those that reply to our cold email, or if they go to treecarehq.com and they submit their user submitted listing, right? Because we do have an add company. Maybe if I put the protocol in there, it would work. treecarehq.com, you'll see there's an add company button right here, which just goes to a high level form. This is a high level form. This is not, when they submit this form, all it does is create a contact record in high level, and they go right into the same sequence that we do when we do cold outreach, if that makes sense. We still reach out to them after we publish their listing, and then we want to deliver, excuse me, we want to deliver the directory listing to them on a call now, so that because that's how we transition from just the directory listing into starting to pitch our services based upon what we discovered in the process of optimizing their directory listing. Like, in other words, we discover problem areas that they have in their digital presence when we are creating and optimizing their listing. And so when we deliver the listing now, we try to get the company or the contact on a call to deliver the listing. And we pitch it as, we want to confirm that you're happy with the listing before it goes live. It's already live, but they don't need to know that. So we tell them we want to make sure that it's accurate and to your liking before we publish it. When can we jump on a call? If the contact asks, well, why do I need to jump on a call? That's when we say, well, we've discovered some problems that in your digital presence or your marketing that is preventing you from getting jobs in the areas that you claimed are within your service area, and we'd like to address this with you on the call. When's a good time to schedule the call? And then they either schedule a call, or we would then say, okay, here's the what's the problem? And we're just now testing finally this AI agent that I had developed. There's a fucking stink bug. It's been 8 degrees outside, and goddamn, there's a stink bug in here. Can you believe that? It's hard to believe. Anyway, now we'll send out these screenshots of the service area that they claimed was in their service area in that initial contact, that initial outreach, because that's one of the questions we ask. And then we show them a local search grid report that shows them how what they claimed was their service area, they've only got a tiny little bit of green in this great big sea of red, if that makes sense. And that's how we it's problem, agitate, solution, right? We introduce the problem, we agitate it because we tell them, this is where you told us you wanted to get jobs from. The areas in green are only the areas that you're getting jobs from, or are the only areas you're getting jobs from. So there's this great big area that you say is in your service area that you're not getting jobs from, at least not from search. And we can help you with that. And so again, it's problem, agitate, solution. Then we present the solutions that we have that can remedy that, if that's clear. So it's a very effective process for kind of warming the contact up, We only add listings to the directory after they've confirmed their information is correct or provide us with accurate correction, excuse me. Okay.